At Kraft Heinz, one of our 6 core company values is we do the right thing. This means doing right by our people, our consumers, customers, and supplier partners, and the communities we serve. In our newly released 2021 ESG report, we share how ESG touches every part of our business and how we're working to deliver our commitments by the year 2025. 3 broad pillars center our ESG commitments and goals: environmental stewardship, responsible sourcing, and healthy living and community support. For us, environmental stewardship begins with what we can control within our own walls, but also includes impacts throughout our value chain. We're actively working to conserve water and energy, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, minimize waste, and make our packaging more sustainable. When it comes to environmental stewardship, we're making great strides towards meeting our aim of using 100% recyclable, reusable, or compostable packaging by 2025. We're proud that through 2020, 83% of our global packaging meets this standard. For example, in 2020, we launched a 100% compostable coffee pod made from plant-based materials for our Maxwell House brand. Certified by the Biodegradable Products Institute, it's truly good to the last drop. We're finding creative ways to reduce waste. Take, for example, our plant in Shanghai, China. To deal with byproducts from its wastewater, our team found a local earthworm breeding company that could turn biological sludge into organic fertilizer. That fertilizer could then be sold to fruit and vegetable farmers. Our plant significantly reduced its waste to landfill and reduced its overall waste costs by up to 40%. We celebrate when we achieve our goals and promise to be transparent when we don't. While we didn't meet the 2020 manufacturing targets we previously set, we're more committed than ever to identifying and learning from our gaps and making real, substantial improvement going forward. In 2020, we set new and even more ambitious manufacturing targets through 2025. Among these goals, to decrease water use intensity by 20% in high-risk watershed areas, decrease water use intensity by 15% in all other manufacturing facilities, decrease energy use intensity by 15%, and decrease waste intensity by 20%. I am proud to say that against our 2019 baseline, across all our facilities, we reduced water, energy, greenhouse gas emissions, and waste to landfill in the low to mid-single digits, putting us on track to reach our 2025 targets. Looking ahead, we're holding ourselves to a higher standard. We're working to aggressively reduce emissions throughout our value chain, while we finalize science-based targets in line with a 1.5-degree scenario by the year 2023. That's because we believe in continuous improvement, which reflects another Kraft Heinz value. We dare to do better every day. When it comes to environmental stewardship, it's all about the positive and sustainable impact we as a company want to have on the world around us.